Hello there, namaste. Hope you're ready to start this day with me. So today we will be doing elemental meditation, and we're choosing element fire today. So for that, I brought this lamp. We call this diya. You could use a candle, or you don't have to use anything. It's just what I'm choosing to do today. Ooh. So I'm using a cotton. Gotta make like a snake thing out of it. I broke a little bit, and that's okay. So I'm using some oil. So this is how we use it. Take that. Hope it's focusing. Okay. So take some oil. Put it in the lamp. Don't need to fill it up all the way. I'm gonna fill it up halfway because I'm actually gonna leave this here in the park. Why is it getting windy? So I don't know if you can see. So see this tip? Gotta wet that too in the oil so it can squeeze it a little bit because we don't need it soaking. Now that we have it the way we want, take that oil and rub it on me. Okay. Matchstick is what I'm choosing to light this up with because I'm not no smoker. I brought this because my mom uses these sometimes. I cannot film this because I need both of my hands to light this thing, and it's lighting, but I just want to light it for a little bit because it's a little windy. There you go. It looks so pretty. Okay, so the grass is burning a little bit. Okay, so for today's meditation, as I already said, we will be connecting with fire element, and in our body, it is in our solar plexus, which is here above our navel. This is where fire elements is based in our body mainly. So we will be utilizing this part of our body as our source, and we're gonna place our hands here. So we will be doing some affirmations. So for a couple minutes in the beginning, I'm gonna repeat some affirmations for 3 times, and after that I'm just gonna go and repeat. All I want you to do is say the affirmations with me the best that you can, and if you cannot, just stay there quietly, just listen to them, because listening is also effective. Just not saying it is effective, listening is also effective. So, oh my god, this is burning beautifully, even though it's windy, as you can see. And you can see the sun in the background. Ooh, this is looking mystical. And this was not intentional. I picked a green diya, not on purpose. It's just what I picked on my first go. I just want to make sure I'm not burning any grass. So we're going to put our hands over our solar plexus chakra. Visualize a golden or red flame growing stronger with each breath that we're taking. And say these affirmations with me. Repeat them with me for 3 times. I am fire. I am power. I am fire. I am power. I am fire. I am power. I burn bright. I burn true. I burn bright. I burn true. I burn bright. I burn true. I ignite. I transform. I rise. I ignite. I transform. I rise. I ignite. I transform. I rise. I fuel the flame within me. I fuel the flame within me. I fuel the flame within me. I am light. I am heat. I am transformation. I am light. I am heat. I am transformation. I am light. I am heat. I am transformation. I am balanced. I am balanced. I am balanced. My willpower is strong. My willpower is strong. My willpower is strong. I am passionate. I am passionate. I am passionate. I am confident. I am confident. I am confident. My actions, my clarity, my vitality, and my personal powers are aligning with my purpose. My actions, my clarity, my vitality, and my personal powers are aligning with my purpose. My actions, my clarity, my vitality, and my personal powers are aligning with my purpose. Now we're going to say these affirmations once. I am strong. I am powerful. I am radiant. I trust myself and my inner fire. My will is aligned with my highest purpose. I stand in my power and I speak my truth. I am the spark that ignites my dreams. I transform challenges into opportunities. My inner fire fuels positive change in my life. I take bold and inspired actions every day. I burn away fear and rise in my strength. I am the fire that lights the way forward. My passion flows away freely and lights up my life. I move forward in life with passion and enthusiasm. I'm a radiant source of love and light. I let my inner fire guide me with clarity and courage. Joy and passion lies within me. My fire burns steady and true. I channel my energy with grace and purpose. I breathe deeply and calm my flame. My passion is powerful and peaceful. I move with focused strength and not with haste. I am fire. I am power. I burn bright. I burn true. I ignite. I transform. I rise. I fuel the flame within. I am light. I am heat. I am transformation. Hold the lamp in your hands. Or if not, you don't have a candle or a lamp, you're going rogue. Stay like this and keep imagining a red light, a fire growing stronger with every breath you're taking. Hold it like that. Become one with the fire. Smell it. Smell the fire. Become one with the heat. And now we're gonna chant Om. Om. Now take this flame and cleanse your aura. Now if you have a candle, you can do the same, and if you don't have anything, after taking your hands out, rub them together and cleanse yourself. Thank you so much for being here with me on this beautiful day, doing this beautiful meditation. It was a great experience for me, and I hope it was for you as well. Until next time, bye.
Let's see what we have. I like this one. Waiting to be good. How often are you striving to be good? A good friend, a good partner, a good employee, a good parent? The wish to be good in all the roles that make up your life may sometimes seem endless. This striving to be good comes from a place deep within that is just wishing to get it right, not only for yourself but also for others in your life. The truth is, sometimes you can't, and that's when self-compassion is needed the most. Self-compassion is there for the times when you can't get it right or make it right. Self-compassion comes in to remind you that you tried. It reminds you that your intentions were good. It reminds you that you are still good. Self-compassion reminds me that I'm still and good when things may not seem right. Practice. I am still good. Take a comfortable seat and a few release breaths. Call to remind a situation or relationship that you have been working hard to get right. One in which you have been trying to make a difference in some way, trying hard to be good. Take a deep breath and place your hand to your heart, the other to your belly. Notice how this longing to be good and make it right is born from a place deep within. Honor this place, the place that is wishing and trying so hard. Repeat the following words. I may not be able to get it right or make it right all the time, but I am still good. I am still good. Again. I may not be able to get it right or make it right all the time, but I am still good. I am still good. I may not be able to get it right or make it right all the time, but I am still good. I am still good. Thank you.